Hey, it's Joe from Machinery Partner, and today we're going to talk about how contractors are making money by recycling their waste concrete. Concrete is the second most used material worldwide, and in construction, it reigns supreme. It makes up for the roads and the bridges we drive on and the buildings we live in. And with the constant demolition and building of new structures, you might wonder what the heck happens to all of the old waste concrete. Some of the material is sent straight to the landfill, where the contractor will have to spend a lot of money on transport and dumping fees. And some contractors are thinking ahead, and they're recycling their waste concrete and even making a profit by selling it. Contractors across the US are saving thousands of dollars every month using machines like the ARC 2716 jaw crusher to easily crush and break down concrete into reusable aggregate. These crushers can crush concrete, they can crush countertops and softer aggregates such as limestone and more. They can even crush it down to 3/4 inch product. What is this good for? Well, this can be used for paver base, fill, or decorative stone. Crushed concrete also makes great gravel replacement for gardens. It's a highly versatile product that can enhance surfaces and cut costs for paving and demolition companies. Why discard old demolition waste when you can crush and reuse on-site? Crushing on-site reduces transportation expenses and landfill fees. It's cost-effective and eco-friendly. It also increases your project efficiency as you are able to make your own fill or base material right there on the job site, and you won't have to pay for aggregate from a local supplier. Imagine saving thousands a month. A small mobile crusher like the ARC 1910 can do wonders, crushing enough material to meet project needs, saving on manpower and other expenses. I think the choice is clear. Pay to dispose your waste concrete or recycle it, saving on material costs and even generating additional revenue. So start turning your concrete into cash. If you're thinking of starting your own crushing business, contact Machinery Partner today and we can help get you started on your concrete recycling journey. Now let's get crushing.